Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing another comparison video. So I know I look a little bit crazy right now because I don't have any mascara on. That's because we are going to compare two different types of mascaras. They're the same brand, but different formulas and a different type of mascara, but they're both kind of very voluminous mascaras. So we are going to be comparing two different L'Oreal mascaras. So we're going to first start with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'm going to do that one. I'm going to do that one on my left eye. And then we are going to do there's a fly in here. We are going to do the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift mascara on my right eye. So let's just talk about the two mascaras first. So they're definitely both give nice length. You have to work, there's more steps to this one, but I noticed that this one is the telescopic lift is a lot more clumpy, which I'm not a huge fan of. I'll show you on the left eye how I use this mascara, but I normally use this wand. I'll show you when I do this eye, like I said. But that's how I'll show you my routine of how I like to do my lashes for the left eye, and then yeah. So and then let's go back to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is literally my favorite mascara of all time. I love it. I just wanted to compare the two for this video because they're both L'Oreal and they're both very great. This one is waterproof though, and this one is the washable one, which I should have gotten the waterproof one for this one, but I like that this one is waterproof, which is nice. Okay, now we can compare the wands. So I'm going to show you the telescopic wand first. So this is what the telescopic lift wand looks like. It's smaller and it has one side, the flat side, has a different brush from the front side, which is really, really interesting. I love it. So the thing I've noticed about with this mascara is since it's very, very clumpy, I have to take off some of the excess mascara on the wand first before I go in and apply the mascara to the lash. Let's look at the L'Oreal Lash Paradise wand. Now I have a bunch of mascaras that look like this wand. It's probably my favorite wand to use when I am using mascaras. I really, really like this wand. I think this one is a little drying out, so I might have to, I'm hopefully getting a new one soon, but I really, really like it. Okay, I wasn't planning on not curling the lashes just because when I apply mascara, they don't look, I mean, they point straight down, so I want to give my lashes a good curl. So I thought we would do one eye at a time. So I'm going to start with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara first. Okay, like I said, I'm going to zoom you guys in and let's start curling the lashes first. Well, the right side first. So I'm going to take my Tweezerman lash curler and curl the lashes. I'm doing a wear test, but I have to post this video today, so I'm not going to. I'm going to curl them up. I have a tissue. Tissue's near, so I can take off the excess mascara. I don't want to take off all of the mascara that's on the brush, but I'm going to take off a good bit of it. So I'm going to start, you have to start applying, you have to load the lashes like this first, with the curved side facing up. Okay, I'm going to stop there, and then I'm going to flip it this way, and just use the comb part of the brush, the wand, to comb through the lashes. Okay, let's talk about this side first. So, I definitely do still really, really like the Telescopic Lift Mascara, but like I said, it's very, very clumpy, and I'm not someone who really likes a clumpy mascara. So that's why I really like this one, because it doesn't give me clumps, it doesn't flake, it gives me very, very nice volume. So this one is like my favorite mascara. So that's that mascara. So now let's go into the Lash Paradise. So I'm gonna, again, curl my lashes. I'm going to kind of share just a little bit of how I like to do my everyday lash routine. In another video, I'll go into depth on my entire lash routine. So I'm gonna take the lash curler, like I said. I'm going to curl the lashes. Then I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paradise mascara, and we are going to apply the mascara, obviously. Like I said, this one is drying out, so it's not the greatest, but it still gives me that volume, which I love. Okay. So an extra step that I like to do is I actually take my L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. I'm gonna put the mirror down. I'm gonna take the wand, and I'm just going to get all of the mascara off on the wand. So I don't like mix formula. Once I think I get all of the mascara off of the on the wand, I'm going to take the comb side, and I'm just going to comb through those lashes. This is just half of my mascara, of my everyday mascara routine. I started to use this technique when I got this mascara, the telescopic mascara. I absolutely loved it because I didn't, like I said, I didn't like how the telescopic was clumping on me. So I just do it like this. Like, I use the Lash Paradise formula with the comb side of the telescopic lift. Okay, now we can kind of compare the two lashes and the mascaras. Okay, so let's talk about the I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little more, actually. Let's talk about the Lash Paradise. Now, the lashes look very nice and separated. They're definitely a little bit more, I think, a little bit more curled and lengthened. I think that's just because of the curler, and that it is waterproof, and I feel like waterproof mascaras give a better hold on the mascara and the curl. And the curl. So I absolutely love it. Yeah, okay. Let's move to the telescopic. Now, it's clumpy. There's length there, but I don't see volume or curl. Yeah, I don't see very much of a curl with the L'Oreal, or with the Lash Paradise. There's very much curl, but with the telescopical, there's not curl that I would like in a mascara. The thing I like about this is this mascara, it does have that like brush comb on it, on the wand, which is nice. I wish they could have done that with the Lash Paradise, because that's really, really cool. I like that comb on the wand. It's really nice. let's talk about some cons for the Lash Paradise. Now, it's not really a con, but this isn't, this is kind of drying out, so, it was a little, I had to kind of work with it, but I still really do like this mascara. And I do have a Lash Paradise, primer, but with my technique that I do for applying mascara for every day, I don't typically use that primer anymore. I mean, I could one eye with the primer and one eye without. Maybe that would be cool. Yeah, I really, really like how the Lash Paradise turned out this time. Sometimes I don't get it right, sometimes I do. This time I did, and it looked so perfect. I still have to work out on how to use the telescopic mascara so that I don't get any clumps, and so I can really curl the lashes and make them really luminous. So yeah, I had so much fun. It's so much fun filming this video. I've always wanted to kind of compare two mascaras, especially that's from one brand. And I wanted to compare the Lash Paradise to something else. So it was really fun for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!